This is Kathy from Athabasca, Alberta for take 2 of the Simoniz Platinum Series 1800 PSI. Nowadays, many people have those energy-efficient washing machines, but they just are not that good at taking pet stains out of throw rugs. So your best option is to actually take them outside for spraying, if you would please. And when you press this in, do note that it will not kick in until you actually squeeze the handle, because we actually thought we broke it at one point. And it's gone. So I'm going to do the other one quickly. It's gone.
Anything first.
And note, this was just water. It was not pre-treated, and there was no soap in the pressure washer either.